Make a call using speed dial on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone application. In here, make sure you tap on the keypad tab. Then on your keypad numbers, simply touch and hold on a particular number to make the speed dial call. Now, if you tap on the number and it does not make a call, then you need to assign a contact to that number because at the moment it is unassigned. Okay, so here I can touch and hold onto that and then tap on assign. And from the list, tap on a contact to assign it to the number. After that, you can touch and hold to make the call. Okay, so number 1 is reserved for voicemail. So you cannot assign a contact to number 1. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.